Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to delete projects in Framer. There are a couple of ways how to delete projects in Framer. If you want more Framer tutorials, you can check out our other tutorials on our channel. Now let's get started. Basically, as you can see, this is one community post from Alex. So my archive is filling up and I'd like to bulk delete everything. Now, what is actually the problem here? As you can see, there is infinite graveyard of untitled projects and it's expanding at an ever increasing rate. So there is not actually a way how you can delete projects. You can only archive them, which is one way how to do it. Second way how to do it is to create a folder where you will call it trash and you will put all those basically archive projects into trash. So those are two different ways how you can delete projects in Frame. I will show you right now. Obviously, as you know, you cannot bulk delete everything. This is something that Framer is working on. I think in the future you will have a delete option. However, for now we don't have that. So basically, this is what you want to do. You want to right click on your project. And as you can see, you will have trash. So you can basically go and create a folder that is called trash. And you can put all your trash items into that folder. Or what you can also do is you can right click and archive or move to trash. So move to your trash folder. That's what I'm referring to, right? So that's what you can do with Framer. Unfortunately, for now there is no other no other solution right here. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why Framer is doing this, but yeah, this is pretty much how you can delete projects in Framer. The only way, or the only two ways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys find this useful. If you did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.